Yeah, this is it, buddy. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's nice. That's so much smoother than my Prime. Yeah, those wheels are pretty good. What do you think, Caleb? You like these wheels? They're not as bad as I thought they looked in the photos. I really like that they did this blue trim on that. I know. Oh, and here's our bed. How does this open? Oh. Yeah, I can lift you up in a second. Hope it's unlocked. Oh no, we can't sit in it? Looks awesome. We could sit in some other ones. Maybe if I ask really nicely, they'll let me sit in this. Yeah, those are the active shutters. Where's the grill? Well, this would be a grill. You like that light up there, buddy? Look at that light that goes across there. Is that pretty neat? You like this truck? We're getting a different color though.